Here's the simplest online income model I've found for men over 55. No tech background, no large following, no ongoing monthly fees. If you've already looked into building something online, you've probably run into the same wall I did. Every option seemed to require something you don't have time for: learning new software, building a following from scratch, or paying for tools every single month just to keep the lights on. Maybe you're looking at this because the 401k isn't where you thought it would be at this point. Maybe Social Security feels less like a plan and more like a guess. Either way, you're not avoiding online income because you're lazy or behind. You're avoiding it because most of what's out there was built for 25-year-olds with nothing to lose and nothing else to do. Here's what I found instead: a model built around two things: content and email, instead of chasing people in DMs or spending all day on social media. No tech skills required, no audience needed before you start. The work fits into about 2 focused hours a day, and the system underneath it is already built. The structure, the steps, the order of operations. Your job is simply to follow what's already laid out. That's it. This isn't designed to impress anyone. It's designed to be doable, because at this stage of life, doable is what actually gets finished. I came to this after losing my job at 58, trying things that cost too much and asked too much, and landing somewhere I never expected by 62. What changed everything wasn't finding something complicated. It was finding something simple enough that I could actually stick with it. If you can follow a checklist, you can run this. You don't need experience. You don't need a following. You don't need to be good with technology. You just need to be willing to follow the steps in front of you. If you want to see exactly how this works, I put the whole thing together in a free, done-for-you blueprint. Comment the word info below and I'll send it your way. The link is also in the description.